Hi, it's Angeline here. I know Christmas is over, but I am so totally inspired by Christmas for this card today, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. So first, I've already stamped the Here's to Love and Friends kit from Graciellie Design and Unity Stamp, and I'm grabbing some sequins from Unity Stamp, of course, and I'm just placing them right in the middle of the heart first. Once you're happy with all your sequins, it's time to create a border using the nuvo glitter drops here. I'm just drawing it at the border of the heart, and then next I'm grabbing the nuvo crystal glaze, which is a clear glaze, to glaze up the entire heart, creating kind of like a sugar cookie. I told you I was Christmas inspired. So here is how my card looks like once it is dried up. I hope you enjoy this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Bye!